and share and subscribe and like.
In this new video, we will discuss another type of irrational algebraic function and integration of that algebraic function. It is of the type 1 divided by under root of x plus a plus under root of x plus b. Method is a very easy. First, rationalize this function by multiplying numerator and denominator by the conjugates of this term. The conjugate of this term here is a plus, so let us take as a minus. Conjugate of this term is under root of x plus a minus under root of x plus b. This is the conjugate. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by this conjugate. This will be under root of x plus a minus under root of x plus b divided by under root of x plus a plus under root of x plus b. This is our denominator, and we have multiplied by its conjugate x plus a minus under root of x plus a, and in the denominator we have the terms like a plus b and a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, and therefore this is my a, so its square will be, this is equal to integration of under root of x plus a minus under root of x plus b. This is equal to a square, that means under root of x plus a whole square, so this will be x plus a, and minus under root of x plus b whole square, so minus x plus b into dx equal to integration of minus x plus x will be cancelled, and we have a minus b in the denominator. Take that common terms, uh, that will be, we can write out of this integration, and we have a minus b here. Okay, let me write explicitly 1 divided by a minus b into integration of x plus a, we write it as x plus a whole raised to 1 by 2 minus x plus b whole raised to 1 by 2 into dx, and integration of this term a minus b into x plus a whole raised to 1 by 2 plus 1, and that will be 3 by 2, so this is 3 by 2 minus x plus b 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 equal to 1 divided by a minus b into 3 divided by 2 into x plus a whole raised to 3 by 2 minus, this is 2 by 3, okay, 2 divided by 3 minus 2 divided by 3 x plus b whole raised to 3 by 2. This is the method how we get the term into an integrable term by multiplying conjugate of the denominator. Let us take example to clarify this idea. If we want to integrate integration of x into under root of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x into dx. So in the numerator, in the denominator, we have under root of 1 minus x. Its conjugate of denominator is 1 plus x, under root of 1 plus x. Multiply numerator and denominator by, therefore this is equal to integration of x into under root of 1 plus x into, again we have multiplying under root of 1 plus x divided by under root of 1 minus x into under root of 1 plus x into dx equal to integration of x into root get cancel, and we have 1 plus x divided by in the under root 1 minus x and 1 plus x. So this will be 1 minus x square into dx equal to integration of x plus x square divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx equal to separating x divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx plus integration of x square divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, suppose this is my I1, then integration of I1 equal to, what is integration of I1? X divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. To integrate this, let us put 1 minus x square equal to 1 minus x square equal to t square. So this implies that x square equal to t square plus 1, and or x equal to t square plus 1 whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay, therefore here, okay, we have substituting this term. Now minus 2x into dx equal to 2 t into dt. 2 get cancel, and we have uh, here x into dx equal to t minus t into dt, right? Substitute this value. This is equal to x into dx equal to t into dt. So this is I1 equal to, therefore I1 equal to integration of minus t into dt divided by under root of 1 minus t square. 1 minus x square equal to t square, so we have only t get cancel, and we have minus dt, and integration of that is equal to, integration of that is minus t, and equal to minus, what is t? Under root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so this is an integration I1. Let us write here integration of I1. I1 equal to, I1 equal to what is minus integration of minus under root of 1 minus x square. This is our integration I1. Now see the second integration. Let us call it as a I2. We will integrate this I2. I2. Now I2 equal to, what is I2? I2 equal to integration of x square divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx equal to 1 minus x square plus 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, equal to, this is equal to, we have integration of 1 minus x square divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx plus integration of 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square equal to integration of under root of 1 minus x square into dx plus integration of 1 divided by under root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now we have standard formulas of this integration. First I will write here standard formulas, and using that standard formula we will write our final result. Integration of, let me write the standard formulas. Integration of under root of a square minus x square, under root of a square minus x square equal to under root of a square minus x square equal to x divided by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus 1 by 2 a square into sine inverse of x by a, and integration of 1 divided by under root of a square minus x square into dx equal to 1 divided by under root of a square minus x square equal to sine inverse of x divided by a. So these two formulas are required to evaluate this integration. The first integration gives us 1 divided by 2 into x into under root of 1 minus x square plus 1 divided by 2, a is 1 sine inverse of x, and plus uh, this is a minus, we have added plus, we have subtracted, we need to subtract, so this will be minus and this will be minus sine inverse of x, okay, equal to 1 by 2 x into under root of 1 minus x square, and this will be minus 1 by 2 sine inverse of x, okay, this is I2. Hence the integration x into under root of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x into dx equal to I1 is minus under root of 1 minus x square, and I2 plus 1 divided by 2 x into under root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 sine inverse of x. So this is what is our answer now.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.